If you look too late, you're going to run over something. All right, I'm scanning. Got kids. Looking around, being safe, taking my time. Blinkers on. I'm looking, checking. I'm going in really slow. Just taking my time. If this brought you value, you learned something, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. The driving tutorial was really nice. I really enjoyed it. You know, seeing what's going on. Seeing what's going on. Always being aware. Looking around. And I really enjoyed this. If you want me to go out tonight, you know, type in yes. You know, I'll go out tonight. And then I do have a GoPro that I could use, and you can see the inside view as well as out. You know, let me know. I'll do that too, because I want to do this for you, to help you. If you enjoy it, thank you, and thank you so much. Bye, guys.